Welcome to Gbxy Kids Web Folding Club. Remember, type up, you know the music. Din, 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 din. Know that music? But that's it starting. You want to know how to make bear claws? Follow us. We can make it easily. Teach you how to make it. Want to make 5, want to make 10, want to make 100, make 23 tools. Never takes a year. I've got 10 right here. But let's get started. I know you really want to make a bear claws. First, you start with blank paper, just a normal paper. Second, take the paper and you're gonna fold it. Fold it like this. Take the paper and fold it like this. Like this. Then you're gonna take the paper and fold it right. See, like this. Like that. Then you're gonna maybe stretch your paper out, but you're gonna try to see the tips over here. You're gonna let me show you. Let me do it first, and I'll show you. Like that, like that. And I'm gonna do the other side. Now I'm gonna do the other side like that. Then we're gonna fold it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just like this. Fold it. Then this might but put the diamond like this. Then you're gonna take it like this. No, take it like this. This one. Keep it going down like this. Oh. Keep it going like this. Like this. Then do you kinda have the idea? Then you're gonna wrap this like this. Then you're gonna wrap this like this. Like this. Then see this, you're gonna put it right in here.
Wow! Did I just make a bear claw? That's so cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
And that adds some to your collection and our collection. You know what? You can add this to make more bear class and take this video again if you want to make more. If you didn't quite understand. Or you can teach people. I taught him. And he did
You
it
did.
good.
You taught me. Oh, thank you.